Hello, all you fruit lovers out there. Just wanted to post a quick video, keep you updated. I am excited because tomorrow I'm heading off to Puerto Rico with my wife, my 2 daughters, their husbands, and 3 grandkids. So 3 out of 8. My 2 sons live up in New Jersey, and one of them has 3 girls and one of them has 2 boys. So I got a total of 8 grandkids. But really looking forward to this trip. My wife and I really need a little vacation, a little break, a little chill out time. But I wanted to talk about, how to stay raw when you're on the road, when you're traveling. It's not that easy sometimes. So the key is you have to prepare. So, I've got some salads that I'm going to do. I'm going to make some dressings, and I'm going to bring those. I got them in nice containers. And what else have I got? The salads are a lot of leafy greens with some strawberries and blueberries. I've got 4 really nice avocados that are just about ripe. So I'm going to bring those. And then I've dry stuff. I've got a little bit of walnuts, cashews, dates, raisins. And remember, the nuts I get are always all raw. No salt, no roasting, just raw nuts. And don't overdo the nuts. Man, I got to clear my throat a lot today. I'm sorry. But maybe I'm eating too many nuts. No, I don't. But I've been drinking a lot of orange juice this morning. And but seriously, nuts you don't want to overdo. You don't want to overdo them. You've got to be careful, just small amounts. No more than a handful a day. And I don't even do that every day. Every other, maybe, or every third is even better. So we fly tomorrow from Fort Lauderdale. So we're on the West Coast over in Naples. 2 hours to Fort Lauderdale, then 2 hours or 2.5 to San Juan. From there, we get a rental car, and then we're going to head west to a place called Aguada. It's north of Rincon, and my oldest daughter found this place. She's amazing. It's a walk to the beach, beautiful views of the Caribbean Sea, and a friend of mine who grew up in Puerto Rico, he said, "Oh man, Tom, you're going to love it. You're going to love it." He says, "There's fruit stands all over the place." And I said, "Oh, great. A lot of local fruit." Yeah, a lot of local fruit. And he says, "Yeah, they sell everything there. They got roasted chickens, beans and rice, pork." I don't know if they fry things there, but I know they tend to like fried foods in Puerto Rico. But trying to stay healthy, you stay away from that stuff. Fried foods, no pork, no chicken, no rice and beans. I'm staying raw. Hopefully, I don't think I'll go for it, but my wife and I are the only vegans in the group. Everyone else is pretty much, they eat anything they want. They try to eat healthy, but some of them haven't figured it out yet that plants are all we need. Fruits, vegetables, small amounts of avocados, nuts and seeds, boom. That's it. That's all you need. And you can be strong, no meds, no surgeries, and unless you get in an accident, then you're in trouble and you need those emergency room doctors. But otherwise, as Dr. Esselstyn says, these things are totally avoidable. You don't have to go down that heart disease path or that diabetes path or that cancer path. If you eat properly, eat whole, raw foods as much as possible, exercise, sunshine, good rest and sleep, good relationships, and you can stay relatively healthy without a doubt. So I'm looking forward to the trip, and I will keep you posted throughout the entire trip. I'll show you the fruit stands, whatever I come across. And all the best, fruit lovers. Make it a good one today, and fruit up, baby. Fruit up. That's the way to go. Adios, amigos. See you tomorrow in Puerto Rico.